What's going on, guys? Investment Coach Chris here, and this video tutorial is going to be talking about volume, and I'm going to break down why volume is so important for equity trading. So I hope you enjoy this video. Hey, what's up, guys? Investment Coach Chris here, and we're going to be talking about volume. So let's get started. So this is going to be discussing volume. So what exactly is volume? Well, volume in the basic sense is the total numbers of buyers, right, and the total number of sellers. Now, there's a lot that you can learn about volume, but for the sake of this video, we're going to do my interpretation of volume, which is going to be based on relative volume. So volume is just basically going to be how many people are looking at something, okay? So you always have buyers and you always have sellers in the stock market. So if you have 50 buyers and then you have 50 sellers, right? You have 50 buyers and 50 sellers, and then let's say that they're buying and selling, you can say, in a 5-minute period. That 5-minute volume, maybe let's say it'll be 100. Well, during that 5 minutes, your average volume is going to be 100. Well, when it comes to volume, one thing you want to look at is you want volume to be going up, because when volume, right, increases, you have a chance for momentum to pick up. Now, that may not make a lot of sense right now if you're new to trading, but what you want to look for is increased volume means increased movement in some direction. Okay, so let's go look at a live example of this right here. So what we have right here is the SPY. We were supposed to have the SPY. Okay, so I have the volume down here in these blue bars. Okay, so these blue bars are going to represent the volume. Now, if you see this, what you notice right here is you see how this stock, this is the SPY, you see how this kind of took a spike up right here and it increased. Well, this is the volume. So this blue bar, it doesn't matter what the volume is, it just matters that this is where the average volume is, right in this area. The average volume was like right here, right? And then all of a sudden it starts to spike, and it starts to spike, and it starts to spike, green being volume, right? Well, when that volume starts to go up, and we see the buyers and sellers go up, we had a nice price movement. And if you look right here, the price movement from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock was, $239 up to $248, a difference of $10. That's essentially all you're looking for with volume. Volume is the number of buyers and sellers, and to utilize volume, what you want to do, and it makes perfect sense. Let's say you're here, right? And let's say this is a stock, and there's normally, 70,000 people looking to buy and sell this stock. Well, let's say something happens now, and this same stock now has 150K volume. Well, 150K is more than 70K. So if the volume is increasing, right, the volume's going up, then there's a chance that the stock's going to take a big move, and they normally do. Now they can go up or they can go down. So your job is to try to your job as a equities trader is to see with other indicators and other tools, if you get a chance to find that volume and you see it spiking up, and you see a situation like this, you can utilize that volume. Here's another chance. Here's an example right down here. Okay, here's an example where the volume was going against. We have this big peak right here, right? And then we come down, and the volumes actually start to increase as the stock goes down. So what's that telling us is that the number of sellers is increasing versus the buyers. And there's ways you can color coordinate buyers and sellers and volume. But I really wanted you guys to get a basic understanding of how to use volume in your trading. I'm Investment Coach Chris. If you have any other questions about these videos, I'm going to be making these videos. I'm going to do my best to try to get in under 5 to 7 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to donate. Have a great day.